welcome to my channel. This is Candy Bliss Beauty of BlissBeautyandGlitter.com. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thanks to every single person that has subscribed to our channel, like our video, comments. You guys are amazing. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share the video with a friend, click the notification bell to know when we're online, and share the video with a friend. I think I already said that. Anyways, you guys are going to see something that I usually wouldn't do, and it's to do my video back to back. I'm doing this video back to back because my schedule has been really kind of like crazy. Can I say that? Yeah. So I needed to do this video today like I did my previous one, and I might upload different time, but it wouldn't matter. So one of our subscribers requested a video which is something to the nature of, can you share products with us for people who are beginning their lightening, brightening journey? Something that can help you for, beauty products. Let me just use this term, beauty products, skin lightening, brightening product for beginners. So there's so many, too many amazing beauty products in the market. And the pick that I have for you guys today, it's kind of like based solely on sales. Because, when people buy so much of something, it gives you the sense of like, okay, if they're buying so much of it, it must be working amazingly for them. And also feedback. So let me not do too much of talking. Let me just share with you guys. And I will still upload more product because there's just so many products that I know for a fact works. But it's kind of hard to do all of that product in one video. But let me just share with you. Okay, my nose. It's not even the allergy season yet. And, anyways, I don't edit my video, so you guys will see. I mean, I'm human. Aside from the all the painted face. Anyways, so my pick, beauty product for somebody who is just starting, for any person who's just starting their beauty journey, skincare journey. Don't forget also, always pair your beauty regimen with a really good supplement. It does help, believe me. Some supplement might make you gain weight, but other than that, I will say pairing supplements with your beauty regimen is definitely worth it. So my first pick, beauty product, brightening lightening product for a beginner. If you're that person who's kind of like highly pigmented, this line that I'm sharing with you will definitely help you at least in the first three to 5 weeks, help you get a shade or two lighter. So my first pick, and this is a product that I'm also familiar with, and something that I use and I love, and that's the 55H. Okay, contrast is really poor. I hope you guys don't mind. I told you guys I rely on daylight, and somehow. So this is and the thumbnail will give you guys an insight also, and I'll put links down below. So this is the 55H carrot line. I think the French or the money reparateur. I think that's how they say it. And then my second pick, beauty product for beginner, is the White Express 10 days lightening beauty product. It has two versions. This, I'll call it this original one. That's the second pick. And then my third pick will be Dodo White Up. Dodo White Up is also an amazing beauty product as well. That's my third pick. And then my fourth pick will be Sivoclair. Sivoclair also, it's an amazing product for a beginner. Definitely gets the job done. And a lot of people mix their beauty products. So this product that I'm showing you guys today, it's not completely important or necessary to mix it. Even if you do not mix it, you will definitely see a shade or two, depending on how much pigment you have in your skin, how melanated you are. So you will see something. You guys already know how I talk, so sometimes I kind of try to slow down so I can get the words out. Anyways, and my final pick, which is going to be the fifth one, is the Dream Cosmetics Carrot White. As much as I will love to listen to customers sometimes, and then maybe not be as considerate of the people manufacturing this product, I still will not be that person who will be the queen of hearsay or the queen of I'm trying to see a word to use so I don't sound so contradicting. But anyways, this product, Cara White, you all know it's one of the most controversial beauty line, and customers do come to me and say a lot of stuff about this product, but they cannot stop buying it. So I mean, like I always say, if you guys are rewarding the person making this product by keep buying it, then he's gonna keep making it. So at the end of the day, Cara White gets the job done. I mean, when you use this product, you're gonna see solid two shade lighter change in your skin. You're gonna get this brightening up glow to your skin, get lighter also. So it's a really amazing product when it comes to doing what the manufacturer claims is gonna do, which is lightening you. I go by what the manufacturer has on the description label, and all that is here is HQ 2%. So yeah, you guys get the gist. So that's my featured product today. Recap 55H Carat Ammonia Reparatoire. I guess that's how they pronounce it. White Express, the original one, because it has two versions. It has a carrot one, but the original one. My second pick. My third pick is Dodo White Up. That's my third pick. And my fourth pick is Sivoclair right here. And then my final pick is Cara White. Keep in mind, all of this product I picked because of customers' feedback and sales. All of this are lightening, brightening product, and so all those product that I chose today as the beauty product for somebody who's just starting the beauty journey, their skincare lightening journey, their skincare brightening journey. This would definitely at least you're gonna see changes. You're gonna see results. Is it gonna be permanent? You gotta keep using the products, but pair with supplements that will also definitely help you. I hope my video was helpful to you guys and for you guys. Check all the links down below. I had to do this video back to back because if I didn't do it this way, I'm telling you, my schedule sometimes is just so crazy. And I'm that person when I just get stressed out and worked out, I hyperventilate. Yeah. I don't have to tell you about my personal life, but anyways, you guys get the gist. So that's the beauty product that I'm featuring today. That's the entire set of different beauty products that you can use to start your beauty journey. Anyways, check out the links down below. Don't forget what I always say: no skin type, no skin color, no skin beauty line is one size fits all. If something works really great for me, might not be that perfect for you. Skin condition, lifestyle, health condition, all of this is a part of what you have to consider anytime you're buying or using any beauty product. That said, check all the links down below. Check out all the beauty line that was featured today, and don't forget to check out our Maven affiliation. Don't forget what I always say: beauty is a perception and a perspective. You all stay beautiful and be good.